always speaking about Yash Uncle in the past tense is very, very difficult to say that Yash Uncle was and Yash Uncle was like this and was like that. So this time I wouldn't speak about Yash Uncle because he's always in all our hearts, in my heart, and in everybody's hearts. I think this award ceremony is absolutely apt because to have an award after Yash Uncle and the first recipient being Lata ji, I think there couldn't have been a better recipient for the award. Thank you.
If I'm standing in front of you and all of you all the dignitaries on the dais is because of Yash ji and what do I say about Lata ji? I think I'm too small a person to say anything. I'm just honored to be here. I'm overwhelmed and I think we should, because Lata ji is not well, so we should proceed with the event and give her the honor. And we all are waiting for that. Thank you.
जैसे अनिल साहब ने कहा कि हम वाकई में बहुत छोटे हैं सब लोग इस चीज़ के बारे में बात करने के लिए, यश जी के बारे में बात करने के जो लेजेंड है, मैंने उनके साथ करीबन 7 दिन मैंने काम की थी. एक फिल्म थी दिल तो पागल है एंड दैट वाज वन ऑफ माय बेस्ट मूवीज़. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर इट. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सॉन्ग्स आई हैड गॉट द टाइटल सॉन्ग. I remember my father-in-law saying that one of the best directors he's worked with, who's a legend, is Yash Chopra. We really miss him, and that's it.
I'm genuinely extremely small in stature to be able to speak on this platform amongst all these people. But all I can say is that Yash ji, like Rani said, is someone who I'd like to remember as an extremely young-hearted and funny and the coolest person I've ever met in the industry. He was so warm and so nice to me. I'm very fortunate that I could get to work on his last film and be called a Yash Chopra heroine. Very, very, very glad about that. And Lata ji, what can I say about you? You're a legend and huge, huge fan. So I'm really happy to be here and thank you. Good evening.
Yash ji has touched millions of hearts through his films, and I was blessed to be a part of his 2 memorable films. Both the films were co-produced by Sri Subbiram Reddy ji. There can be no one better than Lata ji to receive this award. She's a legend. It was her enchanting voice which made some of my songs memorable. Thank you, Lata ji, and Subbiram Reddy garu. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.
गए 2-3 दिन से मैं वाकई बहुत बीमार हूँ. मुझे बुखार हुआ था और आज भी मेरी हालत बहुत ख़राब थी. डॉक्टर साहब ने भी कहा था कि अगर मेरी बात नहीं सुननी है तो मुझे क्यों बुलाती हो, पर मैं यहाँ आना चाहती थी और मैं आई. सिर्फ इसलिए मैं अवार्ड या 10 लाख रुपए लेने नहीं आई हूँ. मैं मेरे भाई यश जी जो मुझे बहुत प्यार करते थे, आज उनकी याद को प्रणाम करने आई हूँ.